Welcome sa aking pang-87 laro ngayong Season 41. Ang tanong, aakyat ba tayo ngayon o babagsak? Alamin natin sa laban na ito. Let's go!
Whenever I step into the spot, ready for my showstopper? Initiate retreat. Understood. Perfect for the next act. Enemy dominated. You have slain an enemy. And destroyed the tower. Not over yet. Initiate retreat. Be happy. Ready for my showstopper? Initiate retreat. Okay. Slain. Don't interrupt my show. Sword Slayer. Up and over. Solo kill. This will make a great scene. Initiate retreat. Don't make it over yet. Slain. Battle spell in cooldown. Let's dance. Slain. And Yo-Yo, the unstoppable duo, here to chase away the gloom. Show isn't over yet. You have slain an enemy. Initiation. An enemy has been slain. Initiate battle. Okay. Yo-Yo's under attack. Ready for the showstopper? An enemy has been slain. Our base is under attack.
At kung gusto nyong samahan ako sa buong Season 41 journey na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, follow at subscribe. Tandaan, bawat rank game ay i-upload ko, panalo man o talo. Kita-kita tayo sa susunod na laban.